Are you finding those annoying group request notifications on Instagram cluttering your feed? Well, worry no more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily disable group request notifications on Instagram using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your favorite web browser. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. This is the More icon. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will pop up. From here, choose Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Next, you'll want to find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open up more notification options. Now, look for Push Notifications. This option allows you to customize what types of notifications you receive from Instagram. Here comes the final step. Right under the section labeled Group Requests, you'll see a toggle option. Simply choose Off. This will disable notifications for group requests, helping you keep a cleaner and more focused Instagram experience. And that's it. You have successfully disabled group request notifications on Instagram using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating your favorite social media platforms. Thanks for watching.